time available on the open market in over 30 years as his absolute gem of a property. Boasting over 6,000 square feet of accommodation, set over 4 generous floors, is perfect for multi-generational living. It offers ample versatile space, including the option for a separate annex.
This substantial home is located on a desirable road in North Leamington Spa, where we've got parking for several vehicles at the front, and at the rear a lovely garden with a workshop, store and a garage.
Let's step inside Lawn House and explore this fantastic home.
You won't be disappointed.
I hope you'll agree, what a fantastic property.
It's a lovely sunny garden, comes straight off the kitchen dining room. If you'd like to come and view or any more information, please give us a call.